Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of paying a small fortune for streaming services every month and you're wondering how everyone else seems to have access to every movie and show under the sun for free, come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to install one of the most popular and powerful free streaming apps, CinemaHD, onto your Amazon Fire Stick, and it's much easier than you think. We're going to do this step by step, so let's dive in. Amazon are now flagging software on the Fire Stick which they believe to be providing access to copyrighted content, shall we say. So there is a warning triangle exclamation mark on the icon of the app, which I've just recently seen on CinemaHD. So for now, you're still able to use it. However, at some point it may be disabled. I can't give a time frame on this, but it looks like they are clamping down on software such as this. To complete this setup, we will require the downloader application. So move across to find, drop down to search, hit the select button, and you just have to enter in D for downloader. Once it appears in the list, you can select it. This is the application we're after. Click again and click one more time to start the download. Okay, before we open it, we will need to amend a setting. So if we click the menu button, move all the way across to settings and select My Fire TV. Here we will need to select this menu option, developer options. If you do not see this, just highlight about and click, and then click the select button 5 to 6 times, and then you will see the option at the bottom. Now you are a developer. So from the home screen, we will move to the apps and open up Downloader. Then I'll double click and enter in the code, which is 9904042, and then hit go. Install and select done, and then delete the installation files as they are no longer required. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If this has helped you out, please drop a comment, share the video, like and subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Cheers.